everybody. Welcome to the Key Acceleration Podcast. This is a podcast about the entrepreneurs, innovators, investors, mentors, and technology experts that are found inside of an accelerator program. We use this podcast to help highlight some of those entrepreneurs and make their stories and their learnings available to any entrepreneur who's thinking about walking this path or joining an accelerator program. Key Acceleration builds startup accelerator programs. So we've done this with government institutions, corporations, investor groups, and universities. In the past 9 months, we've worked with over 120 startups from all over the world in the US and beyond. So we're here today with Tim, CEO of OrangeFIN. Tim, thank you for being here with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Can you just tell us in a couple of sentences, what is OrangeFIN? What are you all accomplishing in your company?
OrangeFIN is the software company. Actually, we created a software, RPA software, to helping our customer to achieve the automation on their workforce. So we are more targeting on how to augment the human workforce to be converted to the automation by using the AI software and also by using the software robotic, so that they can actually reduce the costing that is invented to the human labor cost.
So helping automate workforce in the banking industry, make it more efficient.
Yes.
Great. So we want to hear more about what makes OrangeFIN special and where the company is going next. But first, can you tell us about your role at the company?
I am actually playing a CEO role in OrangeFIN, and I am leading the sales and also bring in the product direction on the overall. Since we are actually serving the banking industry, so we need to have a very close community with the banking especially in the Southeast Asia. So my main role is actually bring the product in to introduce to the particular target customer that is suitable to to create the value for our customer and to making the benefit to our customer by helping them to cutting costs, by helping them to further using our product for the benefit of it.
Great. So as the CEO, you feel your role is very sales oriented on expanding the market in Asia and on helping customers get the most value out of it. So super interesting role, very interesting space to be a part of as AI affects so much of the financial industry. How did you become the CEO? What were you doing before you were CEO of OrangeFIN?
Yeah, a little bit about my career journey.
Yeah.
I have been working on 20 years in the software industry. Mostly my experience is we are build a software and providing that software as a solution to a banking customer. So our forte is really focusing on the payment services and whatever that is bank require, such like they have to producing money transfer that is required by the bank as a BAU. They require to be submitting a reporting as a regular reporting to the government. So I have all the experience to produce a solution and then push it to the market, and then go for it. They're accepting the product, and I am basically background from IT, so that means I can code, I can create the solution from the scratch, and then by talking to our banking customer, we know that what is their requirement, so we can create a spark. Then how can we further helping them by using the latest technology. So since the bank may not know too much about the latest technology like the AI, like the blockchain, right, the software robotic, so they never heard about it. So that I can actually try to be the bridge to tell them you actually can do that way to become more effective, more better. So
yeah. So that's what you were doing as an engineer in the banking industry before OrangeFIN?
Yes.
How did you get connected to OrangeFIN? I always love hearing the story of how an executive or a founder finds their way into the biggest company. So how did you get involved with OrangeFIN?
Actually, we started with a project with one of the banks. So the bank looking for robotic software automation in our country, Malaysia. So all the software blend is coming from overseas, like US, right? So this particular bank actually like to have a local product, which is they're looking for more on the local support kind of vendors. So they're asking us whether we can build this product or not, even that is already have other product in the brand out there. So for us, in the beginning, we just thought that is quite unreasonable request because there is we need to build something from the scratch and we spend a lot of investment on that. But this bank actually trying to call joint venture with us. So they fund our development cost.
Interesting.
So including that, so we will build this product in the first place, particular for them. Later and so on, we launch a product within the years, and then after the years, we help them to save quite a plenty of the labor cost because of automation on the BAs and AIs could really help them to saving a lot of costs. And after that, because we own the IP of the product, so we actually continue push the same product to the market. So we go for other bank, we go for other customer in the SME industry. That is how our software begin with.
So this banking relationship asked for an innovative product, which is a big risk. We got the co-venture, joint venture structure, and they actually helped justify your risk in building out the product. And then now that it works and you own the IP, you're able to bring it to other customers. That's really, really awesome pathway. So, I love to hear from the startups that we work with, what is one great win that you've had while you've been working at the company? And on the other side, what's one of the hardest moments or challenges that you've had? So you can start with either.
Yeah. I think the hardest moment we have so far is when we're trying to push this IP to the SME market, and also there is quite new idea for a lot of the customers because a lot of people never heard about what is RPA, especially in our region. We need to do a lot of the education, and some of the customers will not be able to understand that unless you demo to them. That is take us quite a number, I think 1 year to making the awareness in the customer end. So to make a demo, to make a showcase, and also we call that proof of concept to them. So to really show them it's working. So that is I think that is a challenging time we have because the sales definitely will be lower. So I guess the good moment we have so far we have achieved is we can see the acceptance level on our product to the various industry. So logistic industry, the banking industry, we are no longer only the initial bank we have. We did have more than that. So I can say that's why we want to go for more other regions. We have set up branches in Thailand and also Philippines and Indonesia. So in this Southeast Asia country, so we try to bring the product the same value to other customers. We hope we can expand that to more region. And also what we also joined the key acceleration program. So we try to see if there is any possibility we can go for the US.
It's a big one. Yeah, I mean, I really like the challenge that you talk about there. I think when you're an entrepreneur and you're putting together an innovative product into market, the educational curve can be so long, right? Take a lot of time to educate a customer on the problem that you're trying to solve for them because they might not even know it exists, right?
Yes.
So you've got to teach them about the problem and then why your solution will work. Those are some great wins. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So
not yet.
Nah, we're working on it together. But okay, well, we're just about at the end of our time now. And one way that we like to end our conversations is, can you tell some of the other CEOs or entrepreneurs or technology experts that want to start a company, one piece of advice or one learning that you've had as an innovator?
I could say technology, one side is it changes so fast. So I think the most important thing we get from our journey now is one thing is the most important is the customer feedback. So we have created our product based on customer. We are together with customer when we are starting our business. So because that will be showing us the most valuable benefit the customer can get is proven before we really can massively launch our product to others.
For sure. Yeah, the customer feedback I think is such a good hack, right? Because you're not only saving yourself, money from having to fully develop the product, but you're also keeping the product focused on the customer's needs. So it's less risky for the customer.
Sure.
Agree?
Yeah, definitely.
Cool. Well, Tim, congratulations on everything you've accomplished with OrangeFIN. We are very proud to be working with you here in New York and on your journey into the US market. And everyone, thank you for joining us today. You can find more about OrangeFIN in the session notes below. Follow them online. You'll also be able to stay in touch with the Key team on the YouTube channel and social media. So until next time, goodbye. Thanks for joining.